Welcome to Pre-Production Chapter 3, Writing Your First Script. In this module, I will teach you how to create a pain point script. I'm going to take you step by step through the process. If you pause during this course, you'll be able to fill out your worksheet, and by the end of the chapter, you will have the content you need to finish writing your first script. I use this pain point template very often when working with clients. There's many styles of script writing, and this is just one of them. But I like to start with this lesson because it's a simple exercise. It garners excellent results, and it's a great starting point if you're not a seasoned scriptwriter yet. So let's start with asking ourselves 7 important questions. You will want to download our script writing worksheet and go along step by step with us. To help us along, I'm going to show you a commercial we made for SunTrue as an example.
Let's be true to ourselves. We are the kind of people that love the sun and everything that happens under it. But what are we doing every day to protect and support our body internally from the damaging rays the sun produces? Introducing SunTrue, the first of its kind supplement formulated to support your active outdoor lifestyle from the inside out. Sustainably sourced from pure natural ingredients, SunTrue Ultra 3 is a powerful antioxidant blend that supports skin health from the inside out. Taken daily, it helps your body protect itself 24/7 from damaging free radicals while minimizing premature aging and UV damage. SunTrue will also assist your body's natural ability to repair itself. Stay in the water, stay on the trail, stay at the beach, and stay true to yourself with SunTrue Ultra 3. Available online now at gosuntrue.com.
We can see how they answered each question step by step. So question 1, what problem does your business or product solve? Now, in SunTrue, they started out by telling us about a problem. Outdoor athletes spend too much time in the sun, and it's not healthy for their skin.
But what are we doing every day to protect and support our body internally from the damaging rays the sun produces?
And this is the problem that they solve. Question number 2. What's the name of your product service, and how do you solve their problem?
Introducing SunTrue, the first of its kind supplement formulated to support your active outdoor lifestyle from the inside out.
They introduce themselves as, quote, introducing SunTrue, the first of its kind supplement formulated to support your outdoor active lifestyle from the inside out. Question number 3. What credentials do you have to solve this problem? What makes you an expert in your area? Answer this question by giving your credentials, talking about how many years experience you've had, your training, a certification, or with all the above. This is the area where you gain credibility and convince your buyer they can trust what you're telling them. For example, if I were making a promo for Klein Creative Media, I would answer with something like this, quote, having spent 20 years as an Emmy-winning TV director in Hollywood and 10 years with my own video marketing company, I have the experience you can trust to tell your story. In the SunTrue example, they claim their products are sustainably sourced from nature and work as an antioxidant from the inside out. Now, question 4. What is your approach to solving the problem? SunTrue suggests you take a pill twice daily to protect your skin from UV damage and premature aging. Question number 5. What makes your approach unique or different from your competition? In the case of the commercial for SunTrue, they're telling us if we take their supplement, we don't have to stop doing what we love. They didn't tell us about their competition because, as they said in the beginning, they are the first of their kind, implying they don't have competition. Now, I'm going to use my own video production company as an example of someone with competition when it comes to my own promo videos. In my own videos, I answer with, what makes us different from other production companies is that we really take the time to listen to our customers, make sure we're on brand and on target with their messaging. Plus, we make the behind-the-scenes experience as memorable and as exciting as our deliverables. Now, question 6. What is your product or service doing to help? Now, SunTrue is asking you to be true to yourself.
Stay in the water, stay on the trail, stay at the beach, and stay true to yourself with SunTrue Ultra 3.
And they're telling you that their product will help you achieve that. Last but not least, question 7. What is your call to action? In the SunTrue commercial,
available online now at gosuntrue.com.
They ask us to visit their website so we can order the supplement online. Your call to action could be a click of a button to purchase the product, send an email for a free consultation, or offer a discount for first-time customers. There are many ways you can formulate a call to action that best suits your business or product. So by now you've answered all 7 of these questions and should be ready to write your script. Take all your answers and write them out without the questions between them. You'll see that your script is already forming. You can add or subtract a few words depending on how it sounds out loud. Adjust the wording of your answers to make them sound like a promo you'd see on TV or internet, and you are well on your way to having a finished script. In the next chapter, I'm going to show you how to take the message that you've written and formatted into my specialized script format that will make recording and editing your story so much easier. Congratulations for getting your first script in the can, and I'll see you in Chapter 4.